LumenPick.com is marketed as a stylish home decor and furniture store with huge discounts and trendy products. But the real question is it actually a legitimate decor store or just another risky online shopping site? Now, to be fair, there are legitimate online decor stores that offer affordable furniture and lighting without physical showrooms. What it does well, the website looks professional. At first glance, the store appears polished with attractive product photos and a clean, modern design. Prices look extremely appealing. Many products are advertised at prices that seem far lower than typical decor retailers. Where it falls short, extremely poor customer reviews. This is the biggest warning sign. The site currently has a very low Trustpilot score, with many customers calling a scam and reporting missing orders, fake tracking updates, and no refunds. Very new domain registration. Scam detection services report that the domain was only created in March 2026, despite the site implying a large established customer base. High-risk trust ratings. Scam Detector gives the site a very low trust score and labels it controversial, high risk, unsafe. So is LumenPick real or fake? LumenPick raises multiple serious scam warning signs, especially because of the overwhelming negative reviews, new domain registration, and customer complaints about missing orders. Final verdict. LumenPick equals high-risk online store, not trustworthy decor retailer. If you decide to buy anything, use strong payment protection and avoid spending more than you're comfortable losing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.